Today's video is on 100% proven techniques to reduce body weight. Researchers said these are totally side effect free, easy techniques to reduce body weight. These amazing methods are really awesome. But before this, please subscribe this channel to know the extraordinary harmless methods to burn your extra calories. Having very easy to digest dinner, ideally before 7 o'clock evening, allows our stomach to refreshes itself before bed, which helps to natural detoxification process. And salad is a must-have food item of dinner to get a fresh morning. Though nowadays 7 o'clock evening is the snack time most of us, but those who are desired to have slim and trim figure just forget to have dinner after 7 evening strictly. The first and foremost tips of slimness is early dinner. In the Ayurveda concept, the foods which are little warm, dry, rough, light and easily digestible control body weights. On the other hand, food which are frozen, stale or cold increases body weight. Regular minimum 30 minutes to 1 hour exercise like walking, running, cycling, yoga or swimming are the best to cut off extra fats. Sipping little hot water or green tea number of times throughout whole of the day is a better option to reduce extra calories. A good 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night keep balance to maintaining body weight for longer period of time. You are watching Be Learner to Prosper. To know more about reducing body weight, please keep touch with this channel by liking, subscribing and commenting on this channel.